Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to Allah. Join us on a journey of enlightenment as we explore the teachings of Islam and delve into the beautiful principles that guide our lives. Surah Al-Hujurat, Quranic Surah Al-Hujurat, is a Madni surah that highlights the norms and the etiquettes Muslim ummas should follow throughout their lives. A few of our characteristics stem from negativity in not only us, but also with reference to the individuals around us. 1. Spying and backbiting on others. One of the best sins of all has become normality for us. We gossip, we spy on others regarding their personal life, and we backbite about them. While not it being any of our concern, every day we sin talking behind their backs. 2. Holding doubts and suspicions. Sometimes we doubt individuals so much that it not only instills negativity in the relationship we share with them, but also affects our well-being. A lot of healthy relationships are ruined because of the suspicion we hold against somebody. 3. Mocking and insulting others. Because of a mistake somebody makes, we insult them. For instance, a child getting poor results in an exam becomes a victim of continuous insulting and mocking at home, which affects her or his mental capacity. Prophet Muhammad PBUH was a polite man who never had a mocking, harsh behavior toward his peers or maybe his enemies, knowing the status God granted him for holding pride for yourself in your mind and heart, believing that you are a greater, better Muslim than somebody leads to pride in your heart and discouragement towards somebody else. Understand that God is aware of the best that lies in our hearts and He sees everything. 5. Sharing everything you hear while not verifying it. As soon as we hear any news related to somebody we know, we begin talking about it. We create a judgment and pass our comments out of it. This gives out wrong accusations, for we may not understand the other side of the story.